Hi you guys, it's Brittany from the blog thebeautyrevival.com, where we're inspired by home and the people in it. Today is the day I finally get to reveal our kitchen makeover. My husband and I started this kitchen makeover just a couple months ago, and we needed it to be budget friendly. We wanted it to evoke a European farmhouse or a modern farmhouse style with a little bit of bohemian flair in there as well. And I can't wait to show you guys the results. I absolutely love how it turned out. Again, it was under a pretty tight budget, so we had to use a little bit of what we had, get creative with how we created this open shelving and our brand new vent hood over our stove and all different kinds of things. I can't wait to show you guys. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to share with you guys were these beautiful open shelves that my husband created for me. That was kind of where the inspiration started for this makeover. Last fall, we had painted our cabinets a little bit of a bluey green color. We painted our countertops that are laminate, and I have tutorials for both of those projects if you want to check that out. The links will be in the description box below. But I always knew that I wanted to go a little bit farther with our kitchen makeover, even though it still needed to stay under a pretty strict budget. And my inspiration started with wanting open shelves because I love to collect beautiful decor and functional kitchen appliances and plates and stuff like that I wanted to show off in our kitchen and not have them tucked away in cabinets. So that was the place that we started, and at first that was all that we were going to do, is put up these two long kitchen shelves. So after my husband took all of those kitchen cabinets down, I had painted the entire kitchen this Black Magic by Sherwin-Williams, which I love. And I had originally painted the cabinets that were here above our stove, but it didn't have the exact feel that I was going for in that European farmhouse, modern farmhouse kitchen. So my husband ended up taking those cabinets down and installing this beautiful vent hood that he made for me out of a existing cabinet that he left up there. And then we just installed a vent fan underneath, and he built around it, and it turned out perfect, and I absolutely love it. So another last minute decision that we made was to put up this wooden shelf above the tile. I was really wanting a way to pull in the same warm wood color from the other open shelves on the other wall over here, and we were gonna just do two floating shelves next to the vent hood, but I ended up deciding to put this long shelf across it, and I just love how it kind of brings an old world charm to this corner of our kitchen. A couple other things that we added in were the light fixtures. We put in two different styles because I love mixing metals. Just think it makes it feel extra cozy and definitely adds that boho decor vibe to our kitchen. So I'll leave links in the description box below. Those lights that are black are from Amazon, and then I have links for these gold globe lights that were from Wayfair, and I absolutely love how much charm they added to the kitchen. Okay, and then there were a couple things that we ended up leaving the same. So the beadboard backsplash was here when we moved in. We just touched it up with Benjamin Moore Cloud White paint, which we've used throughout our whole house, and that freshened it up. Our farmhouse sink and the faucets we installed last fall when we did our mini makeover on the kitchen. And then we used the same gold hardware that I'll leave in the description box below. It's from Amazon. It's super budget friendly, like super budget friendly. And it still worked with this new design, so we left that the same. The cabinets are all the same cabinets, just painted them. Took down the cabinets, obviously, on this wall with all the open shelving. And we reused them on the far wall where we had kind of like, I think it would have been a phone desk. We had our computer there, although the girls never sat at it. It was kind of unusable space that just had like a little cubby for decor and stuff. So my husband removed all of that. And then it was his idea to take all of the cabinets on this wall and put them on that wall for extra pantry storage, because we actually don't have a ton of pantry storage in this kitchen. And it also gave us extra space just for those items that I wasn't sure where I was going to put them, if maybe they didn't fit in the lower cabinets and we needed some room. We actually ended up moving those cabinets. We have way more storage in the kitchen with all this open shelving than we did before, so that was a bonus. So I hope you guys enjoyed this kitchen reveal. We would love it if you followed along by hitting that subscribe button. You can also find us on thebeautyrevival.com, on Pinterest at The Beauty Revival, and on Instagram at the.beautyrevival. Have a great day.